So, dear 6th semester students, as we have completed the insect hormone parts, still once again I will repeat this part. So first of all, a hormone. What is hormone? A hormone is a chemical signal that's sent from cells in one part of an organism to cells in another part of the same individual, okay, which are regarded as chemical messengers. So although very typically produced in small quantities, hormones may cause profound changes in their target cells. Their effect may be stimulatory or may be inhibitory, and in some cases a single hormone may have multiple targets and cause different effects in each target. একটা কোনো ক্ষেত্রে একটা হরমোনের অনেকগুলো টার্গেট সাইট হতে পারে, অনেকগুলো জায়গায় একসঙ্গে কাজ করতে পারে, ঠিক আছে, এবং প্রত্যেকটা টার্গেটে হয়তো ডিফারেন্টলি কাজ করতে পারে, ডিফারেন্ট ইফেক্ট দেখাতে পারে। তাহলে ইনসেক্টের ক্ষেত্রে কি দেখা যায়? ইনসেক্টের ক্ষেত্রে দেখা যায় there are at least 4 kinds of hormone producing cells in their body. 4 ধরনের হরমোন প্রডিউসিং সেল দেখা যায়। এদের মধ্যে কি কি আছে? ফার্স্ট আর endocrine glands, যেখানে secretory structures adapted exclusively for producing hormones and releasing them into the circulatory system. Second one is neurohemal organs. এখানে কি হচ্ছে, similar to the glands, বাকি ফাংশন গুলো similar to the glands, but they store their secretory product in a special chamber until stimulated to release it by a signal from the nervous system. যতক্ষণ অবধি নার্ভাস সিস্টেম থেকে সিগন্যাল না আসে ততক্ষণ অবধি ওরা ওদের সিক্রেটরি প্রোডাক্টকে স্টোর করে রাখে, ওরা রিলিজ করে না, ঠিক আছে। নেক্সট হচ্ছে আমাদের নিউরোসিক্রেটরি সেলস শুনেই তো বোঝা যায় যে এর সঙ্গে নিউরনসের কিছু একটা কানেকশন আছে। এবার আসি কি কানেকশন আছে। Specialized nerve cells that respond to stimulation by producing and secreting specific chemical messengers. কিছু স্পেশালাইজড নিউরনস আছে, যেমন আমরা পিটুইটারি ক্ষেত্রে পড়েছিলাম, হাইপোথ্যালামাসের মধ্যে কিছু স্পেশালাইজড নিউরনস আছে যেগুলো স্টিমুলেশনের সঙ্গে রেসপন্ড করে by producing and secreting very specific kind of chemical messengers. Functionally, they serve as a link between the nervous system and the endocrine system. কাজের ক্ষেত্রে ওরা নার্ভাস সিস্টেম এবং আমাদের এন্ডোক্রাইন সিস্টেমকে, আমাদের বলতে এখানে ইনসেক্টসের এন্ডোক্রাইন সিস্টেমকে লিঙ্ক করে রাখে, দুটোর মধ্যে লিঙ্ক তৈরি করে। And lastly, the internal organs. So hormone producing cells are associated with numerous organs of the body, including the ovaries and testes, and the fat body and other parts of the digestive system of insects. So together these hormone secreting structures form an endocrine system that helps maintain homeostasis means equilibrium, coordinate behavioral coordination maintain করে, and regulate growth, development, যেটা most important part, and other physiological activities. In insects, the largest and most obvious endocrine glands are found in the prothorax region, that is just behind the head. These prothoracic glands actually produce ecdysteroids. Ecdysteroids are a group of closely related steroid hormone, including ecdysone, that stimulate the synthesis of chitin and protein in epidermal cells and trigger a cascade of physiological events that culminates in molting. সো এখানে কি হচ্ছে, এই যে এক্সাইস্টেরয়েডস যেগুলো প্রোথোরাসিক গ্ল্যান্ডের থেকে প্রডিউস হচ্ছে, এরা অ্যাকচুয়ালি হচ্ছে স্টেরয়েড হরমোনের সঙ্গে খুব কাছাকাছি একটা স্ট্রাকচারে থাকে। স্টেরয়েড নামটার সঙ্গে আছে এক্সাইস্টেরয়েডস, যার মধ্যে একটা হরমোন হলো এক্সাইসন, যেটা কাইটিনের এবং এপিডার্মাল সেলের মধ্যে যে প্রোটিনগুলো আছে সেগুলোর সিনথেসিসকে স্টিমুলেট করে এবং মল্টিংয়ের সময় যে ফিজিওলজিক্যাল চেঞ্জেসগুলো হয় বা ফিজিওলজিক্যাল ইভেন্টসগুলো হয় সেই ইভেন্টসগুলোকে ট্রিগার করে, ইভেন্টসগুলোকে হতে অর এর মাঝে মাঝে কোনোভাবে এদেরকে ইনহিবিট করতে কাজ করে। For this reason, ecdysteroids are often called molting hormones. Once an insect reaches the adult stage, its prothoracic glands atrophy and it will never molt again. যখন একটা ইনসেক্ট বড় হয়ে যায় তখন ওর যে প্রোথোরাসিক গ্ল্যান্ড আছে সেটার মধ্যে অ্যাট্রফি তৈরি হয়, সেটা নিষ্ক্রিয় হয়ে যায় এবং সে আর ফার্দার মল্টিং করতে পারে না, একটা স্টেজ থেকে আরেকটা স্টেজে রূপান্তরিত হতে পারে না, কারণ অলরেডি সে অ্যাডাল্ট স্টেজে চলে গেছে। এবার যদি কোয়েশ্চেন আসে why ecdysteroids are called molting hormone, you can give answer, make it accordingly. Next is prothoracic glands produce and release ecdysteroids only after they have been stimulated by another chemical messenger called prothoracicotropic hormone, that is PTTH in short, prothoracicotropic hormone. This is a peptide hormone secreted by the corpora cardiaca portion, that is a pair of neuronal organ located on the wall of the aorta just behind the brain. The corpora cardiaca release their store of PTTH, ওরা স্টোর করে রাখে PTTH কে only after they receive signal from the neurosecretory cells in the brain, and in a sense they act as signal amplifier, sending out a big pulse of hormone to the body in response to a small message from the brain. Brain একটা ছোট্ট সিগন্যাল যখন দেয়, ছোট্ট একটা মেসেজ যখন দেয় ওই স্পেসিফিক কর্পোরা কার্ডিয়াকা পোর্শনকে, তখন ওর যে প্রোডাকশন আছে, ওর যে তৈরি করে রাখা পিটিটিএইচ হরমোন আছে সেটাকে বডিতে রিলিজ করে। সাডেন যখন রিলিজ করছে একটা ছোট সিগন্যালের পর এটা বড় অ্যামাউন্ট অফ হরমোন রিলিজ হচ্ছে ইনসেক্ট বডিতে। Next, the corpora allata, another pair of neuroemal organ, lies just behind the corpora cardiaca region. The manufactured juvenile hormone, which we call JH in short, it is a compound that inhibits development of adult characteristics during the immature stages. এই জন্যই এর নাম জুভেনাইল হরমোন। জুভেনাইল বলতে যারা অ্যাডাল্ট হয়নি, অ্যাডাল্ট হওয়ার পথেই চলছে। and promotes sexual maturity during the adult stage. জুভেনাইল হরমোন কি করছে? জুভেনাইল হরমোন যখন ইনসেক্টগুলো ইম্যাচিওর স্টেজে থাকে তখন এদের অ্যাডাল্ট ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক্সগুলোকে বিল্ড হতে বাধা দেয়, আটকে রাখে এবং এদের সেক্সুয়াল ম্যাচুরিটি তৈরি করে যখন এরা অ্যাডাল্ট স্টেজে গিয়ে পৌঁছায়। So neurosecretory cells in the brain regulate activity of corpora allata, stimulating them to produce juvenile hormone during larval or nymphal instars. যখন ওরা একটা স্টেজ থেকে আরেকটা স্টেজে যায়, ইনসেক্টের ক্ষেত্রে আমরা সাধারণত দেখি ফার্স্ট ইনস্টার লার্ভা, সেকেন্ড ইনস্টার লার্ভা, থার্ড ইনস্টার লার্ভা, এরকম ভাবে ইনস্টার লার্ভা আমরা দেখে থাকি। তো একটা স্টেজ থেকে লার্ভা থেকে পুপাতে যখন ওরা ট্রান্সফার হয়, তো ওই ট্রান্সফার মেটামরফোসিসের স্টেজগুলোতে নিউরোসেক্রেটরি সেলসগুলো কর্পোরা অ্যালাটাকে স্টিমুলেট করে এবং জুভেনাইল হরমোন রিলিজ হয়। And this juvenile hormone inhibits the nymphal instars or the larval stages during the transition to adulthood and reactivating them once the adult is ready for reproduction. মানে কি দাঁড়ালো? এই যে নিউরোসেক্রেটরি সেলসগুলো আছে এরা প্রথমে হচ্ছে জুভেনাইল হরমোন সিক্রেশনকে ইনডিউস করছে কর্পোরা অ্যালাটাকে স্টিমুলেট করে। তো এতে যখন স্টিমুলেট করে, যখন আমাদের জুভেনাইল হরমোন হয়ে গেল ইনস্টার স্টেজগুলো পাস করে দেওয়ার জন্য, তারপরে ওরা এই সিক্রেশনটাকে ইনহিবিট করে, বন্ধ করার জন্য বলে, সো দ্যাট the adult becomes ready for the further mature condition and ready for the reproduction. যখন ওরা রেডি হয়ে গেল, ইনসেক্টগুলো অ্যাডাল্ট স্টেজে এসে যখন রেডি হয়ে গেল রিপ্রোডাকশনের জন্য পুরোপুরি ম্যাচিওর, ওরা এখন পসিবল মানে ওরা এখন রেডি ফর মেটিং অ্যান্ড প্রোডাকশন অফ other new insects, তখন আবার এই জুভেনাইল হরমোনের রিঅ্যাক্টিভেশন হয়। The chemical structure of juvenile hormone is basically rather unusual. It is a sesquiterpene compound, sesquiterpene compound, more similar to defensive chemicals found in pine trees than to any other animal hormone. পাইন ট্রিজের মধ্যে যে ডিফেন্সিভ কেমিক্যালগুলো পাওয়া যায় এর সঙ্গে এই সেসকুইটারপিনের অনেকটা মিল আছে স্ট্রাকচারে, যেটা অন্য কোনো অ্যানিম্যাল হরমোনের মধ্যে পাওয়া যায় না। নেক্সট, দ্য নিউরোসেক্রেটরি সেলস দ্যাট আর ফাউন্ড ইন ক্লাস্টার্স, একসঙ্গে, ক্লাস্টার্স মানে অনেকগুলো একসঙ্গে, ক্লাস্টার্স বোথ মেডিয়ালি and laterally in the insect's brain. Axons from these cells can be traced along tiny nerves that run to the corpora cardiaca and corpora allata. Neurosecretory cells কি হলো? ক্লাস্টার অফ সেল ব্রেনের থেকে তৈরি হচ্ছে এবং এদের এক্সন from these cells চলছে along the teeny nerves, খুব সূক্ষ্ম নার্ভ থাকে, আমাদের নার্ভগুলো যদি সূক্ষ্ম হয় ইনসেক্টের নার্ভ আরো সূক্ষ্ম থাকবে, up to the corpora cardiaca, corpora allata part. The cells produce and secrete brain hormone. এই নিউরোসেক্রেটরি সেলসগুলো তৈরি করছে আমাদের ব্রেন হরমোন, which is a low molecular weight peptide and appears to be the same as PTTH, prothoracicotropic hormone, PTTH. Next, what to say, there are many other tissues and organs of the body that produce hormones. Ovaries and testes, for example, produce gonadal hormone that have been shown to coordinate courtship and mating behaviors. Ventral ganglia in the nervous system produce one compound that is called eclosion hormone that helps an insect shed its old exoskeleton. পুরনো এক্সোস্কেলিটনটাকে খুলে ফেলতে help করে eclosion hormone produced from the ventral ganglia of the nervous system. And another compound called bursicon that causes hardening and tanning of the new one. যখন একটা এক্সোস্কেলিটন খুলে পড়ে গেল তখন একটা নতুন এক্সোস্কেলিটন তৈরি হচ্ছে, সেই এক্সোস্কেলিটনটা শক্ত হার্ড করার জন্য হচ্ছে এই বার্সিকন হরমোন কাজ করে। There are still other hormones that control the level of sugar dissolved in the blood, then adjust salt and water balance and regulate protein metabolism. Okay, so coming to the extensive part, you must know that first evidence of insect hormone was mentioned by Battalion in 1894. He first observed insect hormones. Okay, so in short, coming to the endocrine glands in insects are prothoracic glands that produce ecdison, corpora alata that produce juvenile hormone, then corpora cardiaca that stores and release brain hormone, also produces and releases some peptides such as adipokinetic hormone, then midgut endocrine cells that produce various peptides, then epitrachea glands that produce the ecdysis triggering hormone in Lepidoptera, neurosecretory cells that produce neurosecretory brain hormone, that produce actually brain hormone by the neurosecretory cells. Then what are the neurosecretory hormones? The neurosecretory hormones are brain hormone, that is prothoracicotropic hormone, which activates prothoracic gland. Mostly this hormone is constituted of lipid or peptide and water soluble polypeptide, or some molecule of protein is there. Then bursicon is also a hormone of neurosecretory kind. It controls the tanning or sclerotization or mechanical properties of the cuticle during and after a molt. কখন এক্সোস্কেলিটনটাকে রিমুভ করবে আর কখন এক্সোস্কেলিটন তৈরি হবে? মোল্টিং এর সময়ই তৈরি হবে, মল্টিং এর শুরুতে ছাড়বে, মল্টিং হয়ে যখন মল্টিং এর এন্ডে যখন পৌঁছবে তখন তৈরি হবে। And it is found in the most ganglia of the central nervous system. Then we have diuretic hormone, in which neurosecretory cells scattered in the ventral nerve cord produce diuretic hormone. It involved in regulating of insect water balance. So now what are the significance of neurosecretory hormone? The significance of neurosecretory hormones are the secretions of the median neurosecretory cells promote the functioning of the prothoracic glands that stimulate protein synthesis, probably control water loss and oocyte development activities. These neurosecretory hormones have also been associated with behavioral activities such as response of the female towards the male, then cocoon formation. Now coming to the hormones from Corpora cardiaca. Corpora cardiaca found in most insects except Polembola, which lies on each sides of aorta behind the brain. It acts as a conventional storage and release organ for neurohormone. Then coming to adipokinetic hormones, which in short we can call AKH, is a decapeptide from the locust has been identified. These adipokinetic hormone in Corpora cardiaca of locusts regulates lipid metabolism during prolonged flight. লম্বা ওরা ফ্লাইটে যায়, লম্বা সময়ের জন্য ওরা উড়ে চলতে থাকে, তখন ওদের লিপিড মেটাবলিজমকে মেনটেন করে এডিপোকাইনেটিক হরমোন। দেন নিউরোহরমোন ডি, various kind of hormone are there. I am giving only some examples. You just remember this and try to make their notes. The neurohormone D. Here materials isolated from Corpora cardiaca of Carassius morosus called neurohormone D, which increasing the frequency of amplitude of heartbeat, stimulating color change in Carassius. Heartbeat বাড়িয়ে দেয় Carassius ইনসেক্টের, আর এদের কালার চেঞ্জকে স্টিমুলেট করে। ইনসেক্টও নর্মালি কালার চেঞ্জ করে না, ইনসেক্টের মধ্যে কালারেশন বিহেভিয়ার দেখা যায়, তো ওই কালারেশন বিহেভিয়ারের জন্য এই নিউরোহরমোন বিশেষভাবে রেসপন্সিবল ইন কেস অফ Carassius morosus insect. Then the chloride transport stimulating hormone. Here all these are of neurosecretory kind. Next is the chloride transport stimulating hormone. In desert locust, rectum of insect is an important organ which regulates the ionic balance. It is stimulated by the hormone from Corpora cardiaca, and the chloride transport stimulating hormone is named so as because it regulates the chloride transport and maintain the ionic balance in the body. Next is a juvenile hormone or neotenin. So Corpora alata secretes juvenile hormone or neonatin, thereby inhibit metamorphosis. This Corpora alata is therefore sometimes also called as inhibitory or status quo hormone. These Corpora alata hormones. The Corpora alata glands were discovered by Janet during 1899, and juvenile hormone was first extracted from the abdomen of Hylophora ceropia, that is one kind of moth. Now coming to the functional significance of juvenile hormone. Here it is needed for egg maturation and function as accessory glands in male, and other activities or other functions controlled by this hormone are polymorphism, regeneration, metabolism of fat, water balance, color changes, imaginal diapause, pheromone production, etc. Next is our ecdysone or molting hormone. The neurosecretory cells activate the prothoracic glands to secrete ecdysone. The first experimental proof about the importance of prothoracic gland was provided by a Japanese worker, namely Fukuda, in 1940 while working with silkworm. He first gave the evidence of this ecdysone hormone. Silkworm, ecdysone hormone from the silkworm Bombyx mori. There, the high dose of beta ecdysone cause death in insect due to toxic effect. It may undergo abnormal molting. যখন বিটা ecdysoneর পরিমাণ খুব বেশি হয়ে যায় তখন এদের মধ্যে abnormal molting হয়ে যেতে পারে, যে কারণে অনেক সময় ইনসেক্ট মারাও যায়। মোস্ট অফ দ্য ইনসেক্টের ক্ষেত্রে ecdysone হরমোন প্রডিউস হয়। And a ecdysone hormone initiates the molting process, then it breaks larval and pupal diapause, then renewals of growth and deposition of new cuticle. This also depends on this ecdysone hormone. Then it influences the puffing pattern of giant cell in Drosophila and Chironomus. It inhibits the function of corpora allata. Then there are some other hormones, namely the peptide hormones, which are known to control wide range of physiological, biochemical and developmental function, including water balance, lipid and carbohydrate metabolism, muscle contraction, reproduction, growth and development. Then proctolin, isolated from Periplaneta americana, that is our cockroach, acts as an excitatory neurotransmitter to modulate muscle excitability. Now coming to the functions of various endocrine hormones. The endocrine hormones regulate molting, determines the forms of metamorphosis, determines polymorphism, regulate diapause, then they are involved in reproduction, they regulate various metabolic activities and general body functions, and then regulate behavior. So these this is overall function. Now coming to the role of hormones in specific function area. First we have the molting process where the hormones functions. The peptide neurohormone that controls molting is secreted by the corpora, by the pars, basically by the pars intercerebralis, and is stored in the corpora cardiaca or corpora alata part depending on the group of insects. The brain neurohormone. The brain neurohormone is known as prothoracicotropic hormone, that is PTTH, and it stimulates the prothoracic glands, also called the molting glands. In turn, the prothoracic glands release the steroid ecdysone hormone, which is the actual molting hormone, which initiates the shedding of the old hardened cuticle, that is our exoskeleton. Each molt is aided by a small amount of juvenile hormone secreted by the endocrine cells of corpora alata. Without juvenile hormone, during a critical time of the intermolt period of the last larval stage, either a pupa stage or an adult stage is achieved, juvenile hormone also keeps the epidermis in a larval state and causes it to secrete larval cuticle. Without juvenile hormone, the epidermis changes and secretes the adult cuticle type. 3 different closely related forms of juvenile hormones have been isolated from 7 major insect orders. Okay, next is the diapause. Some insects enter diapause during development. Diapause is generally characterized by cessation of development or reproduction, decrease in the water content in the body, that is dehydration, and reduction in the metabolic activities. It usually is preceded by an accumulation of nutrients resulting in the hypertrophy of the fat bodies. Environmental factors such as temperature, photoperiod, and food availability cause storage of neurohormones and the corpora alata become inactive. So, the termination of diapause can be brought about by reversing the environmental conditions that induced the diapause. যে কন্ডিশনগুলোতে এনভায়রনমেন্টাল ফ্যাক্টরগুলো যেগুলো ডায়াপোজ এর জন্য ডায়াপোজ ক্রিয়েট করার জন্য রেসপন্সিবল ছিল, সেই পুরনো কন্ডিশনগুলোকে যদি রিভার্স করা হয় তাহলে দেখা যায় যে ডায়াপোজটা আবার ইনডিউস হচ্ছে। ঠিক আছে, although juvenile hormone can terminate diapause, it triggers diapause in some insects. The stage of the life history may be important in determining the role of juvenile hormone. For example, in imaginal diapause, that is characterized by cessation of reproduction in the imago or adult, the absence of juvenile hormone initiates diapause. In Lepidopterans, a peptide that initiates diapause has been isolated from its sub-esophageal region. Next is the reproduction part. Here, in some insects, the pars intercerebralis secrete the neurohormone that stimulate vitellogenesis by the fat body. By vitellogenesis is the synthesis of vitellogenin, that is a protein from which the oocyte makes its egg proteins. The neurohormone is stored in either of the corpora cardiaca or in the corpora alata depending on the species, and uptake of vitellogenin by the ovary is enhanced by juvenile hormone. In most insects, juvenile hormone also stimulates vitellogenin synthesis by the fat body. There is evidence that other neurohormones secreted by the pars intercerebralis also influence the reproduction. Some induce other tissues to secrete pheromones that influence reproductive behavior to other individuals. In the life-bearing Glossina, a neurohormone released from the corpora allata stimulates milk glands that provide nourishment to the developing larvae. Then coming to the osmoregulation part, all insects produce diuretic hormone and may produce an antidiuretic hormone as well. So insects feeding exclusively on a liquid diet have only the diuretic hormone that allows them to eliminate excess fluid and salts through the Malpighian tubules. That insect kidney is, we know that Malpighian tubule is there for acting as insect kidney. These osmoregulatory neurohormones are produced both in the brain and in the ventral nerve cord. So next part is the myotropic or metabolic factors, where one or more small peptide neurohormones are produced in the brain and the ventral nervous system and are stored in the corpora cardiaca and perisympathetic organs. The myotropic factors stimulate heart rate as well as contraction of the kidney tubules and digestive tract. The corpora cardiaca were named for the heart stimulating action produced by extracts of this organ. So the glandular portion of the corpora cardiaca is thought to secrete the hyperglycemic hormone that causes a rapid increase in blood vessels of tree halos, the blood sugar of insects, which is called tree halos. It is sometimes called the hypertrihalosemic hormone. This hyperglycemic hormone apparently is identical to the myotropic factors in at least one species, like the American cockroach. An adipokinetic neurohormone released from the orthopteran corpora cardiaca, it is locust grasshoppers, causes the release of diglycerides into the blood during and immediately after the flight. It is a peptide similar to the myotropic factors. These are different kinds of functions performed by various hormones in a single sense. You can mention the molting part, you can mention the diapause part, you can mention the reproduction part by your own. And if need, you can describe them also. So this was about the functions of these insect hormones. So what are the steroid hormone found in insects? Are the molting hormone, then the juvenile hormone. And what are the peptide hormone found in insect? Are PTTH or brain hormone and eclosion, barsicon, allotropion, allostatin, diuretic hormone. Remember all the hormone names I have told you. You just mention the hormone names, various kind of hormone. If it question comes like name various hormone types, you can mention first the neurosecretory kind of hormone, the endocrine gland released hormone, then the secretory cells released hormone, then the neurohemal organs released hormone, internal organs released hormone, and by and add all various kinds of hormone as sub heading. First you had it with the endocrine glands, neurohemal organ, neurosecretory cells, internal organ, and then add as subheads all rest of the hormones. So the roles, I told you the role of hormone in insect biology are regulation of molting, determination of form at metamorphosis, effect on polymorphism, regulation of diapause, involvement in reproduction, then regulation of metabolic activities and general body function, then regulation of behavior, then regulation of programmed cell death. The brain hormone or PTTH, which the release of which is affected by the environmental stimuli such as photoperiod, temperatures, then nervous stimuli such as stretch receptor. Remember this thing. Then coming to the action of juvenile hormones, which I told you earlier, but I now adding something like it has two types of action, that is morphogenetic and gonadotropic. Morphogenetic actions are like the presence of juvenile hormone prevents activation of new gene sets. That is, juvenile hormone does not prevent RNA synthesis but rather is directing the type of RNA synthesis. Then maintenance of larval tissue, then pigmentation of larvae that prevents melaninization. Then coming to the gonadotropic action of juvenile hormone, it affects oocyte growth, vitellogenin synthesis, vitellogenin uptake by the oocytes. Then coming to the role of hormone in insect diapause, in embryonic stage or in mother, the diapause hormone acts, and in the larval stage the juvenile hormone level is high. Then in pupal stage the PTTH level drops down. Then in adult stage again the lack of juvenile hormone is to be seen. Then coming to the diuretic hormone again, which regulates the water balance. Then proctolin, which regulates the muscle contraction. Then pheromone biosynthesis activating hormone, neuropeptides or PBAN, that regulates sex pheromone biosynthesis. Remember this thing, sex pheromone biosynthesis is occurred with the help of pheromone biosynthesis activating neuropeptides, which is secreted from the ganglia of the central nervous system. Then coming to the eclosion hormone, which perform in egg and eclosion. And the adipokinetic hormone, which help in mobilization of lipids from the fat body to hemolymph in the locust, that it increase the blood hemolymph level in several insects. Then it stimulates the heartbeat frequency in cockroach. It inhibits the protein synthesis in locust and cricket. Then it inhibits the fatty acid and RNA synthesis in locust fat body. Then allotropion and allostatin. This allotropion stimulates corpora allata to release juvenile hormone. Then allostatin stimulates corpora allata to inhibit the release of juvenile hormone. Then both are released by neurosecretory cell and regulate the juvenile hormone secretion. Then the ecdysis triggering hormone, which stimulate muscle contraction and heartbeat, activate eclosion hormone release. The source is epitracheal glands of the insect. Then diapause hormone, which acts in Bombyx mori and regulates the entry of developing egg into an embryonic diapause. And coming to the bursicone, here neurosecretory hormone that controls tanning and sclerotization and mechanical properties of the cuticle during and after a molt, found in most of the ganglia of central nervous system. Then your chloride transport stimulating hormone, found in the rectum of desert locust and regulate the ionic balance, which is stimulated by the hormone from corpora cardiaca. Then the neurohormone D, where it is isolated from Carassius morosus, which increase the frequency of heartbeat amplitude and stimulate the color change in Carassius. So in summary, what we get is the brain is the main center of all kind of hormone secretion and or endocrine function, which stimulate or secrete the PTTH that stimulate the prothoracic gland and stimulate the ecdysteroid hormone. And directly the brain secretes juvenile hormone, which acts on early stages of larva and later stages of larva. And during the mid instar period, there is low juvenile hormone level, which in turn, with the help of ecdysteroids, with the help of juvenile hormone, make the adult insect. And that's all. So try to make the notes, and if you have any kind of other confusion, I'm here. So don't hesitate to ask me in need. I'll send you some informations or some materials, and accordingly please prepare all the notes, because we were approaching towards your exam. Okay, so thank you.